Everyone thinks the best-selling portable shortwave radio is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Midland WR120B Weather Radio. The Midland WR120B, priced around $48. What grabbed my attention is its NOAA Weather Alert feature. If you want reliable emergency updates, this is worth a serious look. This radio is designed for safety and peace of mind. It features SAME localized programming, which means it can alert you about specific weather hazards in your area. It can monitor over 60 types of emergencies, from tornadoes to flash floods, so you'll be in the know when it matters most. The continuous backlighting keeps the display visible, which is a big plus during power outages. With over 7,000 units sold just last month, it's clear many people see value in this. Now, I did notice some complaints about the setup process being a bit confusing for some users. Here's the thing though, once you get past the initial programming, it's pretty straightforward, and honestly, the peace of mind it offers during storms makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you live in areas prone to severe weather. Skip this one if you're looking for something purely for entertainment though, as it's focused more on emergency alerts. Now, if the Midland's focus on weather alerts doesn't fit your needs, the next product is a great all-rounder for music and news.
Product number 2, BiG Portable AM/FM Radio. The BiG Portable AM/FM Transistor Radio, priced at just $17.98. The compact design caught my eye, and if you need something simple yet effective, this is worth a serious look. This little radio covers AM, FM, and shortwave frequencies, allowing you to catch a variety of signals with its DSP anti-jamming chip that enhances sensitivity. The telescopic antenna ensures you get the best reception, whether you're at home or out camping. With a clear 5-watt speaker, you can enjoy music or news without missing a beat. Plus, it's super user-friendly, making it a great option for all ages. However, some users mention that the build quality feels a bit cheap. I'll be real with you, it's a budget radio, and while it might not feel as sturdy, it gets the job done for casual listening without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and portable option for everyday listening. Skip this one if you need a radio for serious outdoor adventures or emergencies, as it's more for light use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility.
Product number 3, JASM Bluetooth Shortwave Radio. I was intrigued by its Bluetooth capability. If you're looking for a multifunctional radio, this is worth a serious look. This radio supports 4 bands, including NOAA weather alerts, which means you can tune in to crucial updates while also enjoying your favorite music. The built-in 1250 mAh battery gives you up to 12 hours of playback, and the 5-watt speaker delivers surprisingly clear sound for its size. Plus, it's portable, with a back clip for easy carrying, making it perfect for outdoor activities like camping. One downside I noticed is that the Bluetooth connection can be a bit finicky sometimes, which might frustrate those who want a seamless experience. Here's the thing though, once it's connected, it works great, and the ability to play your own music adds a lot of value. This is perfect for you if you enjoy combining music and news in one device. Skip this if you're only looking for a traditional radio experience, as it's got more features than some might need. Now, if you want something that really focuses on reception and sound quality, the next product is just for you.
Product number 4, Greedio Portable Shortwave Radio. The Greedio Portable Shortwave Radio, priced at $35.90. The large LCD display caught my eye, and if you need a radio that's easy to read and use, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a long antenna and an advanced DSP chip, this radio promises great reception for AM, FM, and shortwave signals. The LCD screen is not only clear, but also displays the time, making it functional as a clock too. This is handy for outdoor use, so you can keep track of time while enjoying your favorite broadcasts. Plus, it's battery operated, or can run on AC power, ensuring you can stay connected even during outages. Some users point out that it's a bit larger than expected, which might not fit in smaller bags easily. But honestly, the sound quality and ease of use make it a solid choice for family gatherings or home use. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward radio with a big display. Skip this one if portability is your main concern, as it's not the smallest option out there. Now, if you're all about advanced features and superior reception, the last product might just blow you away.
Product number 5, Texan PL330 World Band Radio. We have the Texan PL330, priced at $84.99. The extensive frequency coverage caught my attention, and if you're serious about radio, this is worth a serious look. This radio covers AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and even single sideband frequencies, making it one of the most comprehensive options out there. The premium speaker delivers rich sound, and it's designed with advanced DSP technology to ensure you get the best reception possible, even in challenging environments. With 850 memories for your favorite stations and alarm clock features, it's as versatile as it gets. However, some users mentioned that the learning curve can be steep for first-time users. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest the time, the performance and features make it worthwhile for serious listeners. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich radio with exceptional reception. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic, as it's definitely more geared towards enthusiasts. Now, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of these 5 great options. So, to sum it all up, the Midland WR120B is great for emergency alerts. The Bay Jolly is a budget-friendly option. The Jasmine adds Bluetooth versatility, the Gradio focuses on user-friendliness, and the Texan PL330 is for serious enthusiasts. Each has its strength depending on your needs, so choose wisely.